Hey guys, Gaurab Borah here, and I have created a special presentation for you, and I'm going to show you how you can earn at least $1,000 per month even if you have no experience online and you don't need to sell anything, and all using a free method. And then I am going to show you how you can scale the same method to over $4,000 per month without doing any extra work, and I'm going to show you all the proofs as well. So how this all started, a few days back I mailed my subscribers asking them what kind of goals, what kind of income goals they have. So this is the answer I got. Around 40% people said they need a way to make at least $500 to $1,000, and 23.6% people said they need to know how to make at least $1,000 to $3,000. So I created this presentation for these guys as well as for the people who are looking to make at least $3,000 to $4,000. Let's move ahead. So why you should care about me or listen to me? So I just want to give you a small introduction. I'm an average guy and I have wasted lots of money on many scams, guru products in my initial days. I struggled really hard, and it took me over 8 months to make my first sale. To keep it short, after lots of hard work, sleepless nights, hit and trial, I finally made it. I became a premium affiliate at Revizu and Warrior Plus. I think I have sold over 25,000 copies of products just as an affiliate. And plus I also helped people launch 40 plus award winning products on both these platforms, and totally I have generated over $3.5 million in sales, both as a vendor and an affiliate. And you can even go to Google and Google about me. You will find a lot of stuff about me there. And I just want to say that I am a real person, and if you want to know more about me, you can go to gaurabborah.com/about me. So let's break it down first. If your goal is to make $1,000 per month, which means you just need to make $33 per day, and it's easy. So if you find a CPA offer that pays you just $1 per free sign up, you need to get 33 signups per day. And if you find the offer which pays you $4 per free sign up, you need to get 8 signups daily, 8 or 9 signups daily. Some of you might ask, what is a CPA offer? A CPA offer is cost per action. Is a kind of offer where you don't need to sell anything. You just need to get people to sign up to a free offer or perform a certain action, and when that is done, you get paid. So I'm going to show you a few offers where you don't even have to sell anything, and you can achieve all of this with free traffic without paying anything for the traffic, and without selling anything, just by referring people to a free website. So this is where a lot of newbies get stuck. I get a lot of messages from newbies. So the first main problem they have when they are trying to get traffic through free social media sites like Facebook, the problem is they don't allow affiliate links. Whenever they try to post these affiliate links, they are removed. And so we need a way to make it work around this problem. The second problem is, if you are promoting just one CPA offer, then it's not going to be profitable. You need to have a system, and you need to be promoting at least 2 or 3 CPA offers in order to make good profits. And the other problem is no money. So to get started, I have found a CPA offer which is free to get in. Then I'm going to show you a free way so you can post your links on social media, and then I'm going to show you how to get free traffic. So are you excited? Yes. So how to get started? So the offer number 1 is Earn Easy Commission. They are free to join, and it pays $1 per free sign up. You can use the link here to go and create your free account here. And the offer number 2 that I am promoting is Yunla CPA. They pay $4 per free sign up, but it costs around $80 to $90 to get started. But it's a very little fee as compared to what you can do once you are into this platform. And I have been using both this platform for the last 3-4 months, and they have made me over $9,000 so far. And the other platform, which is Max Bounty, it's a CP network. It's free to join, but you need to get accepted to their affiliate network. And I have found 2 offers there that has been there for a very long time, and they have made me, I have tested these methods and they have worked for me. The one is Success System Reveal and another is Wealth Earning Guide. Both pay $2.4 per free sign up. How to get accepted into Max Bounty is you can go to YouTube and you'll find a lot of videos there how to get accepted there. Once you create your account on maxbounty.com, you need to fill a form, and then you need to call your affiliate manager and you need to tell them how you're going to promote your offers and how much experience you have. So if you could just go to Google or YouTube and you just type how to get accepted to Max Bounty, you'll find tons of video there, and that's the same way how I got accepted into this network. So how to promote your links when they are banned. So I think it might have happened to you. You tried to promote a product and you posted this on Facebook, or you tried to send it to your friends and you got this message that you can't post this because it has a blocked link. So how to get around that? So it's really simple. I have created a 3-step system that you can use to get started and start making money even as a free user without paying anything at all, without spending anything at all. And if you are really serious and if you're really struggling, then you need to do this and you can make this work. So the first step is you need to create a free blog. Okay, you can go to wordpress.org, blogspot.com, weebly.com. There are a lot of free websites, but these are 3 websites that will help you make a free landing page or a free blog. The second step is you need to create a simple post or page just like the one below. So this is the first landing page that I have used to promote Max Bounty offer. So you just need to have your image here and main heading like want to sign up for the top legitimate work from home programs at pay. You can even use the same headline, and you can use a subheading like how to get started. And here is my affiliate link. So whenever someone comes and click on this affiliate link, they are sent to an affiliate offer or to a list on affiliate offer. And this is the second kind of page that I use. So instead of having just one CP offer here, I actually try to send them to 2 different offers. As you can see, this is offer number 1. I'm sending them to Yunla, and here I'm sending them to Earn Easy Commissions. Actually, I want to show you both these pages real. See, so whenever someone comes and click here, this is my Max Bounty affiliate link. They are sent there, and my other landing pages. I also use this as a thank you page to my opt-in page. You can create exactly a similar landing page, tell them about who you are and why you are doing this, and then send them to these affiliate offers. And you can create this with these free blog, with these free blog sites. So next step is how to get free Facebook traffic. Facebook traffic, don't take it lightly, because I have seen people running 5-figure per month business just using Facebook. And I have also met and built a lot of relationships for my product launch business just by contacting people on Facebook. So don't neglect this. So the first step here is you need to create a new Facebook profile, which is only for business. I like to keep my business away from my personal life. So you need to build a new Facebook profile for business, keep it real, add real images, have a good Facebook offer, complete your profile, and make sure that you add your free website link in your cover and your profile. And second step is you need to go and find people in the money making space who have similar goals like you guys. So you'll find these people on Facebook groups, fan pages, people commenting on other make money related posts, the people commenting on Facebook ads related to make money or internet marketing. So you need to find these people and add them, send them friend request, and don't add more than 30 to 40 people every day to be on the safer side. So when you add these people, they are going to come to your profile, they're going to check your profile, they are going to check your links, and there's a good chance a lot of people will go to that link, click on your CP offers, and then you get paid. The third step is regularly post motivational posts, your thoughts, and maybe share something from your real life, and then make profit making posts once in every 2 or 3 days. I'm going to show you what are these profit making posts. So here are a few examples of profit making posts. So you can see the first image on the left is one I posted to one of my group, where I told them like what I am working on, and comment if you would like to get this. And I got over 170 comments there, and whoever sent yes, I sent them this my free ebook, and it had link to my CP offers and affiliate offers, and also a strategy to make money with them. And an image on my side is one of the guy who is promoting earn easy commissions in a group, affiliate marketing worldwide, and you could see he had got like 390 comments, which is huge. And I'm pretty sure that he must have been able to get at least 200 signups, which could be around $200, and even he could have made like $500 if he had got upgrades from this members. So a lot of people ask me that we have not made any money so far, so how we are going to post our results. So if you are using earn easy commissions, again I highly recommend this. It's free to join, and you can just use the steps that I just told you. And what you need to do, you need to leverage other people results, and you'll find this on group or on their website. You just need to get these results post that this is how this guy is making money, and if you want to know how he's doing it or how you can do the same, so just comment something below, and I'll send you the link, and then send them the free website link that you have just created. And there are some very, very advanced free Facebook training that I have found inside Earn Easy Commissions. They have one of the best free Facebook training, right from getting the traffic and converting them to a paid customer. So I highly recommend you go to the link below, Gaurab.net, Earn Easy Commissions, create your account here, and go to step number 5, access training portal, click on Facebook marketing, and watch all these videos. These are the only steps you need to do if you have no money to get started. And I'm pretty sure that if you follow everything, you will be able to make at least $500 to $1,000 in the next month. Okay, so let's look at some numbers. So it's a free method, so it's going to take you some efforts to get started and keep it going. But once you make some money with it, let's say $500, don't spend all. Keep $250 to invest, upgrade to the pro system, get an email autoresponder, get a tracking software, get a page builder, and once you have access to all these tools, you will easily be able to scale to $2,000 or $3,000. And if you promote just Earn Easy Commission as a free member, right now it's one of the best system to get in. It doesn't require anything to get in. It's free. They pay weekly every Monday. They have a low threshold of just $20. They have a great system, training, community in place. Plus, they allow you to leverage other member results. And few companies, they don't allow it. They don't allow people to use any proofs other than their own. So this Earn Easy Commissions, I really like them. And if you follow the strategy inside Earn Easy Commissions, the step number 5 that I just showed you, and you post on your profile, groups, etc., and you'll be able to get at least 8 to 9 posts in a month that get you like 100, 200 comments. and maybe 12 to 1500 people, and out of those you might be able to get 1000 free members, and each free member you will be able to make $1000 and $1000 in a month. Okay, one more thing, if you are just looking for a free method, then that is it. You can go now and start working on it, get some results and make some money. But if you are really serious about building a thriving successful online business, then keep watching, and I'll show you how you can turn $1000 into $4000 without doing any extra work. So let's say you are promoting Joomla CPO offer that pays $4 per sign up, and you are a pro Earn Easy commission member that pays $100 per sale. So let me show you some numbers for today. Actually, this is from yesterday when I took the screenshots. So this is my landing page where I am promoting Earn Easy commissions and Joomla, and this is the commissions I made from Joomla, $119. And these are the people I got into my Earn Easy commissions system. Out of those, I think around 40 members. I got around 40 members, and so if you calculate, I made around $169 out of 100 visitors. But if I was just promoting Earn Easy commissions, I would have made just $40. But because I was promoting one more offer, Joomla, I made $169. And again, Earn Easy commissions, they have, whenever someone comes and upgrade to pro, you make $100 commissions, just like in here. And for, let's say you get 100 free members into Earn Easy commissions, and just one of that members upgrade to pro. Okay, so you make $100. And let's say you are getting 1000 free members in a month, just with free traffic, just with free Facebook traffic, you get 10 pro upgrades and you make $1000 in extra commissions. How cool is that? And it's possible because I'm doing it, my students are doing it, they are getting results with both the system. So if you get, let's say you get around 2000 free visitors per month, which we have just saw that it's possible with free Facebook method, and if you make $169 for 100 visitors, you will be making $3,380 for 200 visitors. And if you get 10 pro upgrades, you make $1000 extra, which is $4,380 in commissions per month, just using free Facebook traffic. It's really possible. A lot of people are doing it, but I like automated systems, so I have automated my traffic with paid traffic. So here is something that I want to show you, that in the past 30 days I have made $16,189 just promoting affiliate offers, just promoting these offers to my email list through paid traffic. So how to turn this $1000 into $4000 without doing any extra work? The system will be same. Only thing is you will be making a lot more money with my method. So if you are really serious, if you are an action taker, if you can follow instructions to the core, if you are a team player and you are not a crybaby, excuse maker, serial refunder, and you understand that it's a serious business and it takes serious efforts and you are going to give your 200%, then I can help you to get to your goal of building a thriving online business working from home. And you are the kind of person I love to help and work with. What I want you to do right now is visit the link below and I will send you more details how we can get started as soon as possible. So the link is gaurabborah.net/apply-goal4k, and go there, fill out the form, and once you fill out the form, and if you were selected, or if I think that I can really work with you, then I will be getting back to you with an email. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope that this had helped you. And if you're a free member, make sure you go out there, start working and start getting results. Thank you so much.